Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you behind the scenes of a shoot that I did during golden hour using only natural light. For the photos, I wanted to include a lot of greenery, clothing that was very drapey and flowy, and natural curls to match the beautiful lighting during golden hour. The model that I'm shooting with today is my longtime friend Millie, who also did the makeup and hair for today. For the first spot, I had my model stand by a tree that was covered in greenery. It actually almost looks like the tree in one of my inspiration photos for the shoot. I love the way that it frames my shot and almost creates an arch around the model. Unfortunately though, as you can see, the tree is on a hill, and the lighting was the best in the direction that I was shooting in. I'm only about 5'6", so this made it a little difficult to get myself at an angle where the framing looked just right. Thankfully though, I was able to get a few shots that I was looking for. Next, we shot by some beautiful flowers. I loved the contrast between the pink and purple tones of the flowers against my model's red dress. As the sun got lower, my lens was having a problem with flaring. Even with a lens hood, I was having a problem seeing a clear image through the electric viewfinder, so I used my hand to help reduce the flaring. I wanted to show you guys a before and after of one of the photos from this spot. As you can see, when taking pictures with strong backlighting, your photos will initially appear washed out with not a lot of contrast. However, with the use of dehazing, curves, contrast, dodge and burn, and color correction, the photos will appear more vibrant with a lot of contrast. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see a tutorial for this. For the next spot, we shot closer to the trees. The light was illuminating the greenery right behind the model, which really helped to separate her from the background. The bokeh that was being created by the light was also incredible. I don't have much footage from this location, but for these shots, my model switched into a white lace dress. The area we were in was darker, but there was enough light to illuminate the model surrounded by the trees. This next location was my favorite from the whole shoot. The model was sitting right where the light was pouring in, so she was very bright against the dark background, which created a lot of contrast. I gave my model a flower to use in the shot. Small details like this can really pull a photo together. The sunlight at this point was almost gone, so we needed to get into a brighter area. For the final location, I had my model sit on a hill. I had her pull the dress toward the camera to showcase the length of the skirt and to show the detailing of the lacing. That's all I have for you today. Thank you to everyone involved in this shoot. If you liked this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more future behind the scenes. Everyone out there, stay safe and healthy. My name is Raphael, and I'll see you next time. Bye.